Hi, today I'm for the Motorola E32s and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should first just click here to this edit icon and scroll down. Here you will see this, Here you will see this just section with all of the invisible icons, and for example if you want to add the microphone access or just location option to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. By the same way, if you want to remove some options from here, you should hold the icon and drag it to the down. To save the changes, we should just click to go back, but if you wanna just change the positions of the options, you should just hold it and just drag it by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.